Hello, I'm here today to show you the Aexa Holowizard software. Holowizard is an app that we wrote that works on the Microsoft HoloLens platform, and it's a training and real-time operations app. So we're going to go through a startup procedure, or at least the first few steps, as a demonstration of capabilities. So the first thing you'll notice here in front of you is this hologram of this, what's called a Christmas tree, a Wellhead. This is a model that we purchased, just open source, but it could be the detailed CAD models that any customer or client had, and it would come in with every bit of fidelity that were in the original CAD models. So this tree would actually more than fill this room that we're in. So that shows that we can scale it, we can place it neatly on the table before us, we can rotate it, we could pick it up and look under it if we wanted to, whatever perspective, stick our head right in the middle to see different valves and configurations, even cutaways right into different pipes. So it's a very powerful tool for training yourself. This is on a dining room table, as you can see, right in the home. One of the powerful things about this app is that it's got multi-user capability, which means that if another person running this software with another HoloLens were standing here with me, he could be watching or participating or walking around and be part of this experience as well. And in fact, that could be any number of multiple users anywhere in the world. What we see up here is a checklist or a standard work instruction. I'll get a little closer so it's a little more obvious what we're looking at. And of course it's representative. Not a real procedure, not a real tree probably, not a real functional schematic. But this schematic here could be data driven, and valve positions would be, and temperatures and pressures would be driven by the real data. Our convention here is red is closed on a valve and green is open. So as we go through the procedure, you'll see that as well. Also, you'll hear, as we go through the procedure, the voice cues in English. The procedure is written in English, the voice cues are in English, but we can use any language you want. It's a multilingual app. So, why don't we get started? I'll show you. Play.
Step 1. Check that all valves are in the pre-startup positions, as per the well valve config schematic.
You see that the step got checked. You see the valve config schematic. We're going to assume that those are all the right positions. Next.
Step 2. Open Pool 1 and closely monitor annulus pressure, APT, during startup and warm-up.
So what you see here are animations. These are showing you exactly which valve is in use, the direction to turn it. This would normally be done by an ROV, but it's an indicator of how the operator would use it. Next.
Step 3. Start MEOH pumps.
Next.
Step 4. Wait for MEOH pump pressure to increase to 5 bar greater than UPPT.
I didn't quite catch it, but you can see the pump pressure's 25, UPPT's 20, and that rose after we opened it. Next. Actually, let's stop there. That's a demo of the Holowizard software by Aexa. Thank you for your attention.